Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am very happy to be back. We haven't uploaded anything on this channel for the last 2.5 weeks, I think, or maybe 3 weeks. I'm really very sorry that I did not tell you that I was gonna be gone, but let me tell you what I've been up to. So the reason that I hadn't been posting is because our shop was going on an entirely new journey. So we wanted to relaunch the entire shop. We have a new logo, new kit formats for different types of planners, etc., etc. So we launched yesterday. Yes, yesterday afternoon, Manila time. So around midnight Pacific. So we are very, very happy to be back, and I cannot wait to show you our new planner goodies. Okay, so because we have so many new things in the shop, I decided to just make a dedicated video per format, per sticker format, and the first thing I'm going to show you are the calendar stickers for the Hobonichi Weeks. Ta-da! Okay, so the calendar stickers for Hobonichi Weeks is made for this page. So if you open your weeks, if you're new to my channel, this is a pink waffles and bows Hobonichi Weeks. This is not a mega, this is the regular one. And you open it, this is the front, and then you get your calendar page. Hang on, let me just adjust this iPad so you can see the entire thing. Okay, and then this is the entire view of the calendar pages. You get 2 pages with just the dates of the entire year, so it's a year at a glance. This is 2018, and then you get 2017 and 2019 also. If you flip to the next page, this is where you get this page. I haven't actually started using this. I know we are on here and I don't really know how to use this, but for this I thought that it was looking a little bare, and I thought that maybe I could make stickers to make it prettier, to match whatever planner you are using in terms of whatever weeks covers you're using. So I have a few things. Let me show you all of the kits first. Welcome to my slideshow, guys. So sorry about the loss of audio. As you can see here, I've got a few of the calendar kits to choose from. I personally like Oh My Holo and Oh My Joy. It is my ultimate favorite. It just speaks to me, but the others are pretty cute. So I'll see you back in the video. Okay, so I'm back. I am sorry, but I don't know where I cut off. There's a problem, really big problem with the audio right now. I do not know what is going on. But as I was saying, I think I was gonna use Oh My Holo, and I decided to pull the All My Joy so I can use this bit for all of this. Okay, so for the calendar stickers, all of these will be used for the left page, and then all of these at the bottom is used for this page. So you get the strips to cover all of this up, and a giant notes box so you can use this part for notes, and then all of these are individually cut to fit on top of these. So it is gonna take a while, maybe a little bit of patience is required. I remember the first time I tested this format, it took some time. It was a very therapeutic thing as well to just sit down and put stickers on your page. So I know you only get to do it once a year or when your planner is new, but I think it's worth the time and the effort to do this for your planner. So it's voiceover time once again because of the really crappy audio from my iPad. I should really invest in really good filming setup, maybe just audio setup even. I don't really know what's going on. So we are back, and as you can see here, I am planning or putting stickers down on my calendar pages. So I started with the top bar, that one that says 2018, and I'm sorry for the little circle at the top. That sticker is from a collaboration with Kina Prints, and I didn't want to take it off because it will peel off the paper underneath. So nobody wants to do that. Make sure to align the sticker on the line just below the weekdays. That is how you should do it. It will align perfectly and cover everything that needs to be covered. As for the notes pages, you will align it at the line at the bottom of that page. There is a single box on that page, and that is where the bottom of the sticker will meet the paper, basically. So on the other side, I am just going to put down those labels. So the labels are cut individually, as I have mentioned, and you just align it once again on the line that is on the page. Basically, what I tried to do is to maximize the lines as guides for you to put down your stickers. So you have enough for 2017 and 2019. There's actually a lot of them. You won't get extras if you use the entire page as I am doing now. You will not get any extra stickers, so I think that's really economical. You're just getting just enough, and there aren't any leftover stickers. That is also one thing that was a major concern for me when I was designing the kits, when I reformatted them. I wanted to make sure that what you get in the kit are things that you're going to use with very little extras, or stuff that you can use later on. That's why I took away all the deco, and you will see this when I start my plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks. That's a very good example. I took out all the deco and just left you with functional stickers. Basically, what's gonna happen is that all the kits are functional kits, with the decos being sold separate, so that for the decos, you can use them across multiple planners, not just Hobonichi, but also for ring bind or ring bound planners, disc planners like Mini Happy Planner, everything. That's a really good versatile sheet, so that if you don't want to use the decos, then you don't have to get it. What I give you in your kits are things that I know that you will be using. So I can't wait to show you the others. Okay, and here's the finished calendar pages of our Hobonichi Weeks. I have used Oh My Holo for the left side and the bottom of All My Joy for the right side. And this is what it'll look like. So once again, our paper is cream, glossy, and fountain pen friendly. If you ever use this, please tag me on Instagram, paperjoyph, as well as if you post on Facebook, you can also like our page and also leave your photo in our Facebook group, which is Paper Joy Planning World. Can't wait to see you there. Please join my Facebook group because it is a fun place to be. I will be posting secret links to freebie things on there. So I'll see you on Facebook, and thank you so much for watching. I will be back with another video. It is likely going to be for Hobonichi Original. So thanks again for watching. Please thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Plus, hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I post a video. So you have a wonderful day, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.